Alright, today we're going to demonstrate the whiteboard at Hicks Lightning Protection. The whiteboard is a regular computer screen until you open up the whiteboard. So if you use it on a regular computer screen, you can go anywhere you want to do. You can go to the internet, you can go to your server, whatever you want to do. And it's basically like an iPad, so everything's touch. But what we'll do is we'll open up the whiteboard. And the reason we bought this is in order to redline drawings or as-built drawings without having to mark it up on a hard copy. We can do everything online. So what we'll do is we'll go File, Open. We'll go to the server. We'll go to Jobs, Dropbox, Current Jobs, and then we'll go to a Loft, Hotel, College Station, Drawings, Design Drawings, and then we'll open up our drawing. Okay, so what we want to do now is highlight the work we've done. So you can either do it by pen or by highlighter. So if we use a highlighter, we can take a highlighter, then we can change the colors that we want to use. So if you want to color code it by month, so say this month is purple, we just simply take our finger and highlight it as transparent. Say it's the next month and that month's yellow, it changes to yellow. Or if you want to use a pen, you can take a pen and mark the lines like this. You can also make notes on the drawing. You can circle detail A and say we're using detail A here. Or you can say I want to do away with this note. I want to do away with that note. I want to move this note up to here. You have the ability to do anything you want to do. So then once we highlight this drawing, and then also if you make a mistake, you can erase what you've done like this. But once you save this as a PDF, you cannot go back and erase it. But if you're in it, you can erase what you've done that time, like that. So once again, if we want to highlight it, we pick our highlighter and we pick our color. So if we want green, we choose green, and then we highlight what we've done. So after we've redlined the drawing for the work we've performed that day, we'll save it. So we'll go to File, Save As. We'll change it to a PDF. And then we need to rename this. So what we'll do is we'll bring up our, still here, and you can either bring up a keyboard, you can use the keyboard here, or you can simply write in redline. Oops, I didn't highlight the whole deal, so you need to highlight the whole deal, and then we'll type in red line, and it changes it there. So then what we have to do is go back to the file. So we'll go back to the server, back to Jobs, Dropbox, Current Jobs, Loft, College Station, Drawings, Design Drawings, and then that's where we save it. So now we have the original design drawing, and now we have an as-built or a red line. Then you can close that out. And then say we're on the job the next time, so we'll just go back to that red line if we perform more work. We'll reopen the drawing, open, go to server, go to Jobs, Dropbox, Current Jobs, Loft, Hotel, Drawings, Design Drawings. There's your red line. So this red line will show the markups we made on it last time. One thing about it is when you do this, a sheet always gets put in front of the drawing, so you always have to change pages. Which one just loads up. All you do is come over here and switch pages. So now we're on the next page. So now this shows the highlights we did last time, and so we've been back out to the job, we've done more work. It's the next month, and this month is blue. So we'll just take and highlight what we've done today in blue. And then maybe there's some work going on over here, and we can't get a ground rod in here. We can make a note there. You can probably change that to pen. You can also use this pen if you want to write a little bit better. You can do whatever you want to. And then after you do that, you highlight the work you've done. You go back and you save it again. So save as. And remember, you got to change it to a PDF. And then we have to rename it. Oops. And we'll make it a red line. And hopefully it can read my writing. It can. So then we got to go back to where that file is. Jobs, Dropbox, current jobs, Aloft Hotel, drawings, design drawings, and we're just going to replace the previous red line with this new red line. So we'll hit save, and yes, we want to replace it. And now you have an up-to-date red line in the file. That's how you do it.